In this video, you'll learn how to create monitor views in Qlik Talend Data Integration. On the Create page, select Monitor View. Give the monitor view a name and description, then choose the space where it should be created. When done, click Create. When the monitor view opens, it initially displays all data tasks from all projects you have permission to access. Use filters to narrow down the tasks you want to monitor. Only resources you are permitted to view will appear in the filter lists. In this example, we filter by task type and select only landing tasks. The monitor view displays detailed information about each task. KPI tiles provide a quick overview of task status. Click a KPI to instantly filter tasks that are ready to run, running, completed, or require attention. You can also create a monitor view by cloning an existing one. In this example, we apply an additional filter for the target data platform by selecting Microsoft SQL from the list. Click Save As, give the new monitor view a name, and optionally save it to another space. This is useful for creating variations or moving views between spaces. All monitor views you create are available in the Monitor Views page, where you can quickly get an overview of your environments. Monitor views provide a powerful and flexible way to track and operate your data tasks in Qlik Cloud. By combining filters, KPIs, and actions, you can stay in control of your data pipelines with confidence. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.